would like those of you watching right now not to judge me. I'm simply seeing the main control arm here, whether this style would even work. This would not be the final design. Do not judge me. Just trying to figure out how I want to do this. Alright, so let's just say we had a control arm here. That arm had a bracket. That bracket had a mount. Hey, it works. That's better. I like it, I like it. A bit wet now. So it looks like I'm going to do this. I have to build the splash guard, that back wheel, both the 4-inch and the 7-inch. Because all the water is coming down, carried by the belt, flung back, and back at me this way, and some is going to the floor. I'm not sure much of the water was from before. Gotta actually design a real bracket system for that. But we know it works. Simple bracket, L, and a joint, but I'll have to make this joint here adjustable somehow. Either maybe making a slotted joint, or well, let's mark off our distances here. Or I can always have a clamp here to deal with this, to make it easier to pull off and on for now. But this needs to be actually manufactured.